Hello traders and welcome to this channel. Whenever I show you my running trades, my blue trades every day, don't ever think that it's something that is for special traders or experienced traders. It's something that you can actually do, nothing complicated. Just like what I showed you the other day. I showed you that for those who didn't see the video, okay? It's not something that I want to talk about today, just reminding you. I showed you that whenever you look at the last move on the London session, maybe I can just explain even what I mean by the last move. Whenever price moves, it makes a move and then a turning point. This turning point is what I call a key level. And this movement, I call it a move, okay? So we leave a turning point, which is the corner, and make an upward move, okay? Turning point, which is a key level, and then downward move. Upward move, downward move. The last move in the London session, if it is downwards, price is going to move in the opposite direction on its next move, okay? Just like here, this blue box is the London session. I'll show you how to set it up, okay? So on the London session, you had an upward move, a downward move, an upward move, and then a downward move. So this was the last move. It's downward, and then since it's downwards, the opening move, it's going to be upwards, or in the next session, price is very much likely going to go in the opposite of the last move. In that video where I was showing you this, we looked at a lot of examples and we figured out that it actually works. Okay, let's look at here. Upward move, downward move, upward move, downward move. So the last movement, I don't know what's happening with my internet, okay? So the last movement on the blue box was a downward move. So the opening move, usually price moves in the opposite of that, okay? So you can check out that for yourself. What I want to show you is that this is something that is very easy. Don't tell me that this is hard. It's not a complicated strategy, yet it works. So you can scalp using this thing. And this is on Euro USD traders, just like what I want to show you today. It is still on Euro USD. I took a sell trade right here. I'm going to explain why, because it's part of today's strategy. Let me just show you the trades. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I'm holding and then I am going to get out once I've made enough profit. I was saying that this is on Euro USD. Concerning the other pairs, I'm going to make a PDF and show you how to enter the trades on the other currency pairs. Okay, and then I'm going to share that PDF in my trading community, okay, right here. So if you are here, please just hang in there. If I find time, I'm going to share that PDF. If you are not in that group, like I always say, if you open a trading account here and fund it, I add you in that trading community. And this is the best time to fund your account, traders, because you have a 100% deposit bonus. The link is in the video description. This broker is regulated, traders. Don't worry about that. These are the types of accounts that you have. These are the trading platforms. For me, I like to use MT5. Here are your funding methods, including Perfect Money and the TRC20 network. But if you are missing any funding method, you can let me know by sending me a message using the details in the description so that I can talk to the team and see how we can add that funding method or withdrawal method of your choice. Okay, let's go back to what I want to show you today. Let me start by setting up the only indicator we're going to need. I'm on TradingView. You can use any trading platform of your choice, okay? And you can use any sessions indicator. For me, I like to use This one, sessions by Lux Algo. Okay, let me put some few settings on the indicator. Okay, scroll down. I don't want the daily divider. Okay, let's leave that. So for today, I only need the London session. Let me uncheck New York. I also need Tokyo, so I will uncheck Sydney. Okay, if you're using your mobile, you can still do this on your mobile phone. Okay, just download the TradingView app and you will be good to go. So right here, what you want to do, traders, is do your analysis on the Tokyo session to the beginning of the London session. Okay, this is where you do your analysis, and you are going to be placing your trades from the end of the Tokyo session into the London session. Okay, let me just scroll back so that I give you a clearer example. Okay, let's use this example. You are going to be doing your analysis in this portion. Okay, in this portion, and then you are going to be placing your trades only in this portion. Okay, only in this portion, not right here. There's a lot that's likely to happen where these two sessions meet. So what you do right here, it's very easy. Remember that I said that you only focus on this portion. Right here where price was moving, you just want to draw two trend lines that are going to put price in the middle. You don't have to be perfect, okay? Just find your averages. Right here, I drew the trend line there and there. And once you've drawn these trend lines, you wait until the end of the Tokyo session. Once the Tokyo session has ended, if price is above the two trend lines, you buy and you hold. If price is on the lower side of the bottom trend line, you sell, you hold. If price is in the middle, you wait until price closes above this or below that. It's as simple as that. We're just going to look at some examples. So right here, it worked. Price went in the right direction. Okay, let's check what happened right here. So right here, you were supposed to sell right there, because remember, you are supposed to look for trades from the end of the Tokyo session. So right here, you are supposed to have your sell. This helps you to avoid false signals like that one. See that price closed above the two trend lines there, but then it was a false signal. Okay, let's just proceed. We want to have quite a lot of examples. Okay, see what I told you here. I know it's not something for today. Price or the last move was bearish, and then the opening move is bullish. Okay, and then let's see here. You were supposed to find your sell trade there. Okay, let's check another one. Let's check another one. I want this thing to speak for itself. Okay, I want this thing to speak for itself. Okay, this is the first place where we have a false signal. You were supposed to have a buy trade here. Okay, you were supposed to have a buy trade there, but then the news spoiled everything. This spike was caused by the news. Okay, and that's how Forex is. This is the previous strategy. Okay, and then right here, you were supposed to have your buy trade there. Okay, and I want you to notice how I've been drawing my trend lines as I scroll. You can download this video and take it slowly. You pause where you want to pause. Okay, This is where you were supposed to have your buy trade. Okay, so far we've had one bad signal. Okay, this is where you were supposed to have your buy trade. Okay, this is where you are supposed to have your sell trade. Okay, see what I did right here. The reason why I have these trend lines like this is because you do your analysis up to the end of the Tokyo session. Okay, because right here there is the influence of the London session, so you can't really trust that this move was caused by the Tokyo session. That's why I have my trend lines. Okay, maybe I can have them like this. Okay, trying to put this price movement in the middle. Okay, either way you were supposed to have your buy trade somewhere there. Okay, somewhere there. Let's proceed. Okay, right here, let's see what happened. I'm sure you would have had your buy trade somewhere there. Okay, but then it was a bad signal. It was a bad signal. Okay, I'm just keeping things very simple. I know that there are other things that you can look at before you can place the buy trade. Okay, for example, you would want price to close above this key level before you take a buy trade. You see that turning point, it is a key level. Okay, but then I'm just keeping things very simple, very simple. So we have two bad trades right here. You would have had your buy trade there. Right here you would have had your sell trade there. Okay, you would have had your sell trade. Remember, you are on the lower side of these trend lines. You would have had your sell trade around there. Okay, let me just do this so that you can see how far I went with this thing. You see all that. Okay, you would have had your buy trade there. Okay, you would have had your sell trade somewhere here. Okay, okay, some are not clearly visible. You would have had a sell trade there. Okay, what happened here? I'm sure you would have had your buy trade somewhere there. Okay, just zoom in. Okay, price is above these two trend lines that I have drawn. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just cover what happened on the Tokyo session, and then since price is above this, you buy. Okay, right here it was a sell. Okay, just cover what happened here. Okay, you would have sold there. I'll leave the rest to you. Oh, in fact, this is where my plan ends. I'm using a free plan, so this is where it ends, traders. Just go ahead, do the analysis, see that you can make a lot of money out of this thing.